Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will guide you through the process how to fix touchpad not working or cursor is disappear on your Asus VivoBook. Okay, so like you can see here my cursor is not working. Like I am cursoring here and cursor is not showing, it is disappear right now. So how to fix that? Like I have go to Asus official page. They are showing three method to solve this issue. I apply that method, but that method doesn't work. But I am showing you what method which is really work for me. Okay, so how to? First of all, you can click on window, and here you can see search is disappear. Search is here .now. Okay, and here you can search for touchpad. Right click touchpad, and here you can see touchpad is showing, and now click enter, and here you can see our cursor right now off or on, like touchpad off. Click on here, and right now your touchpad is on. Okay, now you can see I am cursoring now, or cursor is showing. Okay, right now my cursor is working. So guys, this is the method you can apply and your cursor will properly work. Okay, thanks guys, having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.